Hello guys, good noon. So andito pa rin kami sa Angeles, Pampanga. Naghahanap pa rin kami ng apartment. Although hindi pa kami ngayon lilipat. Pero tumitingin kami guys kung saan yun. May magandang lugar dito. At yung komportable sedan. Kasi yung tinitirahan namin sa Cavite. Hindi talaga siya komportable doon kasi paakyat baba sa hagdanan. Sa second floor kasi yung mga rooms doon. So at saka naano din siya dito kasi nainggan nyo din siyang mag-ano dito sa Angeles, Pampanga kasi marami siyang makakausap ng mga foreigners. So isa din yan sa dahilan kasi pag nasa bahay lang kami at wala kaming travel, nabubore siya. At least dito sa Angeles, lumabas ka lang ng mag-coffee ka lang or sa mga restaurant or mga resto bars, may makakausap na siya mga kauri niya dito. So kaya napagdesisyonan namin siguro not this month, not by next month, kasi mga darating na araw pag nakakakita kami ng matitirhan dito na komportable sedan. So ayan, yung apartment na yan pinupuntahan namin yan ng isang araw. Ayan. Ngayon binabalik kami doon. So ngayon guys, binabalikan niya kasi tinetext niya yung may-ari ng apartment, hindi naman nagre-reply. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, kung need na talaga natin yung kung gusto talaga natin yung apartment, kailangan talaga sigurong tawagan yung may-ari or sinong pwedeng makontact dyan sa apartment na yan para makausap. Kasi kung text lang, marami kasing mga nagte-text ngayon na yung mga, alam nyo yun guys, yung mga scam. Kaya sabi ko kay Dan, mas maigi talaga na makausap natin yung may-ari ng apartment, or kung hindi man, tawagan talaga. Kasi may marami na rin kaming apartment na napuntahan dito. Nung isang araw nag-iikot kami dito guys, dito sa Angeles, dito sa may malapit-lapit lang dito sa sa main gate or Malabanias. Pero wala kami nakausap kasi wala man lang sumasagot sa mga text pag pinuntahan namin sa mga apartments. Wala din doon yung may-ari. Kaya sabi ko kay Dan, kailangan talagang tawagan or makausap yung may-ari. Ayun, andito na si Dan. So, ano kayang resulta ng niya? So, oh, sorry. How is it, honey?
I didn't see anything, so I tried to call, and there was a dog barking, and nobody came, so I called her number, and I could hear the phone ring when I called her number.
But she doesn't.
But she didn't. She answered it. No, she answered it, and she said, "What are you looking for?" I said, "Ideally, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath." She said, "That's 20,000." And I said, "Do you have something available now?" And she goes, "It's too hot right now." She said, "Can you come back later this afternoon?"
So she's not here.
No, she's here.
Why she just?
She said it's too hot.
It's too hot. She can't calm down. She knows that you were here. You were there already.
I don't know if she understood that I was standing there.
You don't tell her?
I did tell her. But
Well,
she's
I'm here.
Filipina and I'm American, and you know, yeah, I did tell her. She goes, it's too hot. She goes, can you come back this afternoon? So that made it sound like maybe she understood that I was there. And I said, sure. What time? She said 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock?
Yeah,
That's weird. If she were there,
she was there. I heard her phone ring. I called her and I hear the phone ringing, so I can see the apartment that she's in. Right, because the door's open. There's a dog there. She's got everything opened up. It's got a Philippine flag. It's got a little table. It's got. You can tell it's a Filipina or a Filipino, and she just doesn't want to come down there right now because it's, or doesn't want to come outside because it's too hot.
oh my gosh. There's no air conditioning inside?
Her room was open. Yeah, you can see all the air cons,
Yes.
right? But apparently she doesn't want to pay for air con, so she had her house open.
But
And she might be an old lady. I don't know.
I'm eating this. Sorry. I'm talking maybe my lips. Something
It
like
looks fine.
that. She should like just talk to you or just
Maybe if you would have been there, she would have talked to you. I don't know.
that's
But
weird.
she asked if we come back at 6.
So okay, we're gonna come back at 6 here to talk to her. I wish we could talk to her. That's weird because you know, supposedly, if you need a customer in your business, right? I don't understand that. You have to talk to your customer because you need customer. And you know, there's a lot of houses and apartments for rent here in Angeles. But Dan and I finding if we can find, hopefully, we want bungalow style.
Well, this isn't bungalow.
Yes.
Well, but it's single story. Right. So
Yeah.
so you have a single story apartment at different levels.
Yeah. Dahil katulad ng sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina guys, ayaw ni Dan yung may second floor na aakyat-akyat baba sa hagdanan. So ngayon, mag-iikot-ikot pa kami. Titingin-tingin ng mga apartment dito. And titignan din namin sa may Hensonville kung meron din doon. That's an apartment also.
Well, that's 1 story or 2 story.
Yeah, it's small. You think
Yeah.
this is open now?
I don't know.
This is
Gotta find
closed
out.
last time. Yeah, it's still closed. It's still closed there, honey. So how do you know that? So you saw on a video that car.
Yeah.
Sorry, honey. I don't think we can pass by here.
Look. Let's see.
Nire-repair yung kalsada nila. May mga apartments. Oh, there's an apartment for rent, but it seems like
Yeah.
it's look like. So, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There is 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom with swimming pool. Inaayos kasi yun dito yung kalsada nila. Kaya mahirap mag-ano dito. Yeah, ito try ni Danny. apartment for rent dyan, guys. May tao. Nakakasapin. Anong street ito? 612 Marieville Street, Clarkview, Malabañas, Angeles City. So, part pa ito ng ano guys, ng Malabañas. Itong area na ito. Ang kinakausap pa ni Dan, yung caretaker ata yan siya. Yan, yung lalaki na yan. Grabing init dito guys. Hindi mo gugustuhin lumabas. Nakakasunog yung init. Yung mukha ko sunog-sunog na nga. So this unit, we're gonna look it up now. So we're gonna leave our things here?
Yeah.
Okay. So finally, may nakakausap kami isa. At titignan namin yung unit. Init guys. Nakakasunog yung init. Grabe. Sakit ng init. Oh, nice. Hello po. Oh, it's nice.
So it's 2 bedrooms.
Yes, and split aircon. And there's a cabinet. And this is a nice size, the room.
No lines.
Huh?
No lines.
Yeah, you have to buy for the curtain or yeah. Ah, there's a swimming pool there. Look at that. Wow.
These are nice windows too.
Yes. How much is this? Magkano po ito? Kuya? Walang CR dyan.
Depende mo nung gusto mo ma'am nung may gamit, nung wala, nandun na. Basta ako sa akin mo lang.
Oh, pero yung bathroom is dito lang? Ito lang yung may bathroom? Isa lang yung bathroom niya?
Dalawa pa. Dalawa.
Ah, dalawa?
Yun, side.
Ah, sa labas lang yung, yung isang room.
Itong isang room ito.
Ito yung bathroom niya, pero yung isa, yun, sa labas. Ah, okay. Ah, maganda siya. Ayan, may cabinet. Tapos,
Swimming pool.
aircon, may swimming pool. Ikaw yung caretaker dito. Nice. Maganda siya. So,
Gumana ba yun? Gumana na ako lang ma'am. Nakapatay lang. Nakabunot lang ma'am.
yeah.
Nakabunot
It's
lang.
not because they don't want to pay it monthly. Yes, for
Laundry ma'am.
for laundry.
Bali dalawa yung lababo mo yung dalawa.
Oh, nice, honey. Ito na lang yung bakante dito.
Ito na lang. Puro
Nice. Meron ba siyang meron siyang hot shower.
Meron ba?
Meron. So may hot shower din siya. Ayan. So ito talaga yung pang master's bed. Kasi may siya eh.
May siya.
May CR siya dito. So that's the other room. It doesn't have an own bathroom, but they have to come here.
Right.
But this one, yes. This one has a bathroom and has what is that? For hot shower. Oh, this is nice. Do you know how much is this?
How much?
He doesn't know. You have to talk to the owner.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, maganda siya. May nakatira na dito dati.
Meron lang lumipat lang. Lumipat lang.
You got a little patio.
Yeah. This is nice.
Are they all 2 bedrooms?
I like this. My swimming pool.
Is this for laundry?
Oh, laundry.
Oh, nice.
And tenants can hang laundry out
Yeah,
here?
yeah, sorry. Okay.
Pwede.
Pwede man. Para tennis mo magsasampay.
Ay, nice, honey. Nice. Ito yung parking area niya. Dito yung parking sa room na tinitignan namin. Nice.
So,
Okay. Ma'am, dyan na lang.
I see.
Dyan na lang. Gusto niyo na mo. Kasi lang. So, pwede mo lahat dyan. Dito lang.
Ah, only this one. Yeah. 1 bedroom and 1 bedroom.
Wala kami na available.
So they don't have available.
Hindi available.
Okay, I guess we've seen everything.
Yeah.